Hey guys, it's your girl Tamarin, and I'm back with this updated blowout and silk press routine on my natural hair. So stay tuned and watch how I get nice, sleek, bone straight hair. So this is my first talk through in a very long time. So I've already washed and conditioned my hair with Biotene H24. I get this from either GNC or Vitamin Shop, but I've been using this for a very long time. The bottles are small. It's about $9–10, maybe on sale for $8. I go through the conditioner after like 2 or 3 washes, so I only use it to straighten my hair. When I'm just wearing my hair curly, I just use whatever conditioner. I get a lot of questions about my regimen. I don't have one. I will just say I've been blessed because I'm very lazy when it comes to my hair. I work out like 5–6 times a week, so it's not really a whole lot I can do unless I decide to do like a protective style and wear like a weave or a wig, which I don't do very often. I might wear a weave like once a year. So my hair is usually either in a big bun. If I do straighten it, I probably get maybe a day and a half out of it, because then I go to the gym and it sweats out. First, I'm going to spray my Cantu Thermal Shield. So I just spray this all throughout my hair. All right, so as you can see, just gonna detangle it a little bit. And I really feel like this, even though it's a thermal shield heat protectant, I feel like it kind of helps detangle my hair too. Going with my Proclaim heat protector, and it's for color protection too. If you color your hair, I haven't colored my hair in a while, but I do dye it jet black from time to time. So this is just like extra protection. I think the reason why my hair has remained so healthy despite that I don't have a regimen, or I haven't deep conditioned my hair in I don't know how long. And I probably should, so don't listen to me. Deep condition your hair and do all that good stuff. But I really focus on heat protection. So whenever I do apply heat to my hair, I'm making sure that my hair is getting all of the protection that it needs. So as you can see, I sectioned my hair off into small sections, and I'm just taking my blow dryer and blow drying these small sections. I like to grab the section and take the blow dryer through it really slowly and create that tension to make sure that I'm getting my hair as straight as I can before I start flat ironing. As I section into a new section, I will apply more heat protector on each section. I don't like to add my heat protector all over the head, just because I don't feel like I get it saturated enough. I like to do it when I'm doing it in individual sections to make sure I get good coverage. And to make sure that you get your hair completely dry, use the cool shot on your blow dryer and run it through your hair. If you feel any cold areas, that means your hair is not completely dry. I know for me, having such thick hair, I have to really make sure my hair is dry before I start flat ironing. And I'm just going to throw this in a little ponytail. Mine is the Brillance New York Diamond Iron. I got this off some website for like 30 bucks, but it's a really good flat iron. I bought 2 of them, so I got a backup in case this one breaks. A bit more, just a little bit. Gonna rub it through. At first you'll think, oh my god, I'm getting my hair wet again, but it dries like a serum, so don't worry. And then I'll put a little bit more of my heat protector in there. I know it seems like I'm oiling my hair up, but these oils and thermal protectors, they're very lightweight. At least these 2 are. So my hair is still very light and bouncy, and you'll see when it's done that it won't weigh it down. Very, very small sections of my hair, because my hair is so thick that anything bigger than this, it just won't turn out the way I want. So I'll comb that, this one, and I like to pass through one time, but what I'll do is I'll kind of clamp the root a couple times and then I'll pass through once very slowly. Take it like this. And I'm taking my comb through as I'm gliding through very slowly, and I only need to pass one time. That's what applying tension means, basically clamping your flat iron as you go down and kind of pulling down. That's what allows you to only pass through one time. If you don't apply enough tension, that's why you keep having it pass through, and that's what creates more heat damage. As you can see, I'm just continuing to take these really small sections and applying that tension as I go through with my comb, just to make sure that it gets through smoothly. It might seem like it's taking a long time, and it's really not, but taking these small sections is really, really important. Otherwise, if you take too big of a section, it may not get all the heat that it needs to, and it may just not get as straight as you would like it to. So I really like to lock in that heat and get it as straight as I possibly can. As you can see, it's still really lightweight, very, very bouncy and flowy, so my serums have not weighed it down whatsoever. As you can see, it turned out super bouncy, shiny, and bone straight, honey. So like I said, those serums that I used did not weigh it down at all. It's super soft. So I really want to see how you guys create this look. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to stay tuned and see how I got this bomb makeup look with this poppin' red lip, watch my next video. See you guys later.